Are you looking for ways to enhance your skills without breaking the bank? Look no further. In this video, we will show you the 5 best Udemy courses that you can take for free and get a certificate of completion. Number 1, Artificial Intelligence in Bioinformatics. In this course, you will get a complete step-by-step approach to AI in bioinformatics. You will learn about how machine learning is used in bioinformatics. So without any delay, enroll in the course. All the links for the courses are provided in the description. Also subscribe to my channel to get updated about the free courses on various online platforms. Next course is a data science crash course. In this course, you will get hands-on training for creating an impactful data visualization in Tableau. Understand basic concepts of Tableau software. Number 3 is how to get data science job without experience. So after doing the previous course, you can go for this. This course will help you to build a resume and also teach you about top 3 skills required for data science candidates. Also please note, don't forget to let us know in the comments which courses you're interested in taking on Udemy for free with a certificate of completion. Next we move on to 4th course. This is for the students who want to make their career in ethical hacking. This course will provide a practical approach on ethical hacking and its understanding. In this course you will get to know basic of ethical hacking and also you will learn how to launch ethical hacking attacks from scratch. The 5th and the last course for today is Professional Advertising and Graphic Design. In this course you will learn about how to create a logo, various tools in Photoshop and many other graphics designing tools. So there you have it, the 5 best Udemy courses that you can take for free and get a certificate of completion. Head over to links in description and start learning today. Subscribe to our channel.